5 secrets that will help you be a creative graphic designer. Make sure to stick till the end of the video because there is a great gift and a giveaway for you guys to help you become a better graphic designer and also to be creative in your designs.
Audio Jungle.
So I've got some video requests from my Facebook group. People are actually asking, how can I become a creative graphic designer? So I decided to make a video about this to help you guys on my Facebook group and help all the people that are watching me to improve and become better in designing. So yeah, secret number 1, you're not a graphic designer, you are a visual communicator. Graphic design or whatever design you are making is an actual message in the hand of you, a talented graphic designer, that you are going to design it and make a form of it. I mean, design it, yeah, create it in order to make a visual communication with the viewer. So you are not a graphic designer, you are a visual communicator. That's how you must think. That's the first secret. You're not actually just making some, it's not opening Photoshop and putting some sort of, designs and some brushes, some effects, all that. Okay, all that is good, but you're not a graphic designer. How can your design, ask yourself one question, how can your design communicate with the viewer? How can people react on that? What do you want people to do? What is the thing that you want the viewers to look on first as a designer? You must focus on these things. So yeah, you are a visual communicator, not a graphic designer. Your designs must be communicating, not just a simple design, or not just a banner, not just a logo. It's not like this. You gotta feel, you gotta add emotions to it. And in the next step, we're gonna talk about this. Secret number 2, you are a player. Yes, a graphic designer, you are a player. You play with the emotions of your viewers. You play with the emotions of your prospects. You make them feel, you control their feelings. You make them feel in a certain way using the color psychology that we're going to talk about in the next secret. But you, as a player, as a graphic designer and a player, you must emotionally trigger your prospects. Why do you want to do that? Because simply, scientists have proven that we human feel first and think second. So think of any product in your life. For me, any product in your life, why did you want to buy this certain product? Because it's not because you need it, it's because most of times, 9 times out of 10, you want it. You want this product. You're not in the need of buying some such products. You want this product. This product has emotionally triggered you so much that you really want to do it. You want to buy it. You can live with it. You can normally live without this product, but it's because this product has emotionally triggered you. Imagine if you can use emotion triggering in your designs. How will that affect your creativity? How will that affect the designs that you are making? How will this make the viewers and the prospects and your clients feel in a certain way? Imagine if you apply this in your designs, it's gonna skyrocket your creativity, I promise you. So as a graphic designer, you're supposed to create some sort of visual communication that will make your prospects and your clients emotionally triggered in a certain way and make them feel in a certain way, and also influence their feelings and influence them to do something that you want. Let's take, for example, like a design like a black background and some sort of white squares and text in it. That's why you're telling the eyes of the viewers to look at. That's where what is the focal point in design is. So you have to do like some emotion trigger in your designs. Secret number 3, color psychology. How can you actually trigger the emotions of your clients, viewers, or prospects? Is by simply knowing the color psychology. What is the color psychology? Simply, color psychology is the feeling that the color has on you. What do you feel when you see a certain color? So can you imagine how important is that? Can you imagine when you know what does actually each color you use make the viewer feel in a certain way? This is crazy. It's going to help you a lot to become a creative graphic designer. So let's take, for example, McDonald's logo. McDonald's logo has a yellow M on it, which really helps you as a prospect or as a viewer to feel hungry. Yellow, yes, yellow will help you and will encourage the feelings of hunger in you. And also will encourage the feeling of happiness. Yellow is often considered the brightest and the most energizing of the warm colors. It's a warm color, and you will find all that in my PDF. I'll tell you about it. The designer of this logo is actually one kind of a smart designer, because when you look at the logo, you will feel happy first, and then you'll feel hungry, and then you'll just go and buy whatever. Even you're gonna buy coffee even if you're hungry. You're just gonna go. You just want to. It gets you a feeling that you want to just go and buy something. So you guys must think that a lot of brands has simple designs, but believe me, you don't actually know what is the concept behind all these simple designs, like Nike, Adidas, or McDonald's. A lot of simple designs, but you don't actually know how deeply does that help people and help them as brands to generate more money from making people feel in a certain way. So this will skyrocket your creativity as a graphic designer. But how can you actually implement this, and how can you learn more about color psychology? You guys, I didn't leave you alone, and please subscribe because I've done a ton of great research to help you guys in that. I made a color psychology PDF for you guys that actually has all the colors you will dream, all the colors in life, and how does it affect your emotions as a human. What feelings does it drive on you as a human? So you will find the PDF link down below here on the description or in the iCard, and it will lead you to, when you click the link, it will lead you to a page where you can see the cover of the PDF. Very simple. You're just going to type your email, and I will send you the PDF directly to your email. If you didn't find the email on the primary folder, you will simply find it in the spam folder in your email. Whatever the email platform you have, you'll just leave and you'll find it. Here we come to secret number 4. A designer that is not watching other projects of the same design is not a designer. That's from my perspective, because if you don't watch enough or see, because your eyes, if your eyes doesn't see, if your eyes don't see enough designs and enough ideas or enough examples of what you're going to make, you will just open up Photoshop and stare on Photoshop for hours without getting any result. So to solve this, it's very simple. All you have to do is just open up Behance, open up any portfolio kind of sites, and just watch examples of the same kind of design that you want to make. Let's say, for example, you want to make a photo manipulation design. Very simple. Just go to behance.net and search for photo manipulation, enter, and watch how many amazing projects that people have actually made on that site, and keep watching, keep getting ideas, keep collecting ideas from this designer and this designer, and at the end you will have your mind filled with a lot of great ideas to start with, a lot of great colors, great color schemes, and a lot of stuff, great color palettes, and you will have a lot of ideas to start with. And also another big idea is you also can pick up your favorite design and start trying to trying to make the same design. You try to make the same design. You try to copy the design just for your training, just for you to get, to feel how to start making designs like that. How does the other designers made some highlights, made some shadows, what ideas did he use? And I'll also put your idea to it. You must have some sort of ideas. You don't want to copy paste like that. You have to put some effort into it. And last but not least, secret number 5. You might have actually seen this quote on one of my previous videos that says, "Amateurs create, professionals steal." Yes, that's the truth. Why you're not getting the results that you want of creativity is because you're not actually you're trying to create. Now, I'm not saying do not do that, but you're not going to get that maximum results. As I told you, secret number 4 and secret number 5 are actually almost the same, but the difference is, as a professional, as a graphic designer, you must steal. How can you do that is simply by doing the same process, but this time we're going to add your idea into it. It's already there. Why do you try to create new ideas where actually, how many designers in the world, like millions of designers in the world, okay? Of course, you're not going to beat all these million human brains with your ideas, right? Your ideas must have been so close, you and all these people, your ideas must have been so close, so it's pretty damn easy that you can go and also open up Behance, take some ideas, write them down, and make a design closer to these ideas. Very, very simple. Now, if you don't know how to do it, then do not focus now on creativity. You must learn exactly how to design, how to use the softwares, and then try to be a creative graphic designer. Make creativity the goal, the end goal. But first, learn. How can you be a talented, creative graphic designer without knowing the basics of Photoshop? How can you start this way? That doesn't work. This is not how it works. You gotta first learn how to design and then look for creativity. Now, if you're struggling actually to learn how to design in Photoshop, simply I have a course on my YouTube channel. Just click on the eye card here, you're gonna find the course. It's a playlist, consists of some videos, and I'm adding more and more to it depending on your questions on my Facebook group. So if you have any more questions about anything in designing, in Photoshop, in Illustrator, in anything, even in life, even in making money, anything you want, just open up my Facebook group and I will help you, and I will make videos as like this one. And do not forget that there is a free PDF for color psychology, helping you to learn how to create designs with colors that will affect your prospects and your viewers in a certain way. Thank you, and on to the next video.